How to fix Midea air conditioner heat mode not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we will walk you through the steps to fix your Midea air conditioner if the heat mode is not working. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So, step number 1 is checking the mode settings. For that, you need to locate up the remote control first and ensure you have the remote control handy. After that, switch to heat mode. You can just go ahead and press the mode button on the remote until you see the sun icon indicating that the heat mode is activated. After that, make sure the display shows that it is in heat mode. Confirm up your settings. And on step 2, you need to use up a space heater. So you can just go ahead and position a space heater. After that, point a small space heater towards the left side of the Midea unit to help you warm the area. And the next thing is be aware that the unit may not function properly if the outside temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The open vent can chill the interior and affecting the performance, so make sure it is closed. And on step 3, you need to insulate the exhaust hose. So apply insulation around the corrugated hose at the back of the unit. That will help you retain heat and improve the efficiency of that. Step number 4 is monitoring the outdoor temperature. You can ensure that the outdoor temperatures are adequate for the heat pump operation, typically above the mid-20s degree Fahrenheit. Heat pumps require sufficient thermal energy to operate effectively. And on step 5, the last step, you can seek professional assistance if none of those works. So for that, you can go ahead and contact the technician. They will help you resolve the issue. For that, you need to provide a detailed information about what you've already tried to help them to diagnose the problem more effectively. And that is it. That is how you do that. So therefore, you can follow up the process in order to fix the Midea air conditioner heat mode not working. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.